Student, in the previous video I have solved the first example of practice at 1.2. Now in this video I will solve the fourth example of practice at 1.2. So the question is 3x minus y is equal to 2 and 2x minus y is equal to 3. Now look at that example. In order to solve that example we have to make two columns and we have to find 8 order pairs, 4 from this one and 4 from this one, so that we will plot that total 8 order pairs on the graph. So look at the first equation, 3x minus y which is equal to 2. 3x minus y is equal to 2. Now look here, we have to take the value of x and after that we have to find the value of y. So first of all we will take the value of x as a 0. So after putting the value of x as a 0, 3 into 0 minus y which is equal to 2. 3 into 0 will be 0 minus y which is equal to 2. So minus y is equal to 2. So y will be equal to minus 2. So if we are taking the value of x as a 0, we are getting value of y as a minus 2. So the order pair will be 0, minus 2. Similarly, we will take another value. Suppose we are taking 1. So now we will substitute the value of x as a 1. So our equation is 3x minus y which is equal to 2. 3 into 1 minus y which is equal to 2. 3 into 1 will be 3 minus y which is equal to 2. So minus y will be equal to 2. Now 3 will go to the right hand side, it will become negative 3. So minus y will be equal to that 2 minus 3. 2 is smaller and 3 is higher. So it will be minus 1. So y will be equal to 1. After multiplying on both sides by negative 1, we got y is equal to minus 1. So if we are taking the value of x as a 1, we are getting value of y as a 1. So order pair will be 1, 1. Now we will take the value of x as a 2. Our equation is 3x minus y which is equal to 2. Now we are substituting the value of x as a 2. So 3 into 2 minus y which is equal to 2. 3 into 2 will be 6 minus y which is equal to 2. So minus y will be equal to 2 minus 6. So minus y will be equal to minus 4. Y will be equal to 4. So if you are taking the value of y, if you are taking the value of x as a 2, we are getting the value of y as a 4. So the order pair will be 2, 4. So similarly we have to find one more order pair. Suppose we are taking the value of x as a 3. Our equation is 3x minus y which is equal to 2. Now after substituting the value of x as a 3, 3 into 3 minus y is equal to 2. 3 into 3 will be 9 minus y is equal to 2. So y will be equal to 2 minus 9. Minus y will be equal to 2 minus 9. So minus y will be equal to minus 7. So y will be equal to 7. So after taking the value of x as a 3, we got value of y as a 7. So order pair will be 3, 7. Similarly, we have to find 4 order pairs for the second equation as well. Now we will take second equation which is 2x minus y which is equal to 3. Suppose we are taking the value of x as a 0 again here. So after substituting the value of x as a 0, 2 into 0 will be 2 into 0 minus y which is equal to 3. 2 into 0 will be 0 minus y which is equal to 3. So minus y is equal to 3, y will be equal to minus 3. So after taking the value of y as a 0, we are getting after taking the value of x as a 0, we are getting value of y as a minus 3. So order pair will be 0, minus 3. Similarly, now we will take the value of x as a 1. So our equation is 2x minus y is equal to 3. 2 into 1 minus y is equal to 3. 2 into 1 will be 2 minus y which is equal to 3. So minus y will be equal to 3 minus 2, that 2 will become negative. So minus y will be equal to 3. Sorry, 3 minus 2 will be 1. So y is equal to minus 1. After taking value of value of x as a 1, we are getting the value of y as a minus 1. So order pair will be 1, minus 1. We have to find 2 more order pairs. Now we will take the value of x as a 2. So our equation is 2x minus y is equal to 3. Now after substituting the value of x as a 2, 2 into 2 minus y is equal to 3. 2 into 2 will be 4 minus y is equal to 3. Minus y will be equal to 3 minus 4. Minus y will be equal to minus 1. So y is equal to 1. So after taking the value of x as a 2, we are getting value of y as a 1. So the order pair will be 2, 1. One more order pair is remaining. Suppose we are taking the value of x as a 3. Our equation is 2x minus y is equal to 3. After substituting the value of x as a 3, it will be 2 into 3 will be 6 minus y is equal to 3 minus y is equal to 3 minus 6 minus y will be equal to 3 minus 6 will be minus 3, so y will be equal to 3. So if the value of x is a 3, we are getting the value of y as a 3, the order pair will be 3, 3. So in this way we got all 8 order pairs. Now we will plot that total 8 order pairs on the graph, and we will see where are the two lines are intersecting. So we got here total 4 order pairs from first equation and 4 order pairs from second equation. Now we will substitute that 4 order pairs over here. So our first point is 0, minus 2. So it will become over here 0, minus 2. 0, minus 2. This is our first point. Second is 1, 1. So 1 on x axis and 1 on y axis. So it will become over here 1, 1. This is our another next point. So next will be 2, 4. 2 on x axis and 4 on y axis. So it will come over here 2, 4. And last one is 3, 7. 3 on x axis and 7 on y axis. It will come here 3, 7. So here we have plotted all 4 points. Now we will make one line. That line will somehow go with that point. Okay. This will be our line, and we have to write equation of that line. 3x minus y is equal to 2. So this is the equation of that line. So we have drawn first line. Now second line. So the first coordinate of second equation is 0, minus 3. 0 on x axis minus 3. It will come here 0, minus 3. Second point 1, minus 1. So 1 on x axis, minus 1. It will come here 1, minus 1. 1, minus 1. So the next point is 2, 1. 2 on x axis, 1 on y axis. So it will come here 2, 1. Last one is 3, 3. 3 on x axis, 3 on y axis. It will come here 3, 3. So here we have plotted all 4 points. Now we will make one line. That all 4 points will go from same line, and it will intersect the first line at some point. So this is point where the two lines are intersecting, and that point is minus 1 on x axis and minus 5 on y axis. So the point of intersection is minus 1, minus 5. And the equation of second line is 2x minus y is equal to 3. This is our second line, this one is first, and they are intersecting at minus 1, minus 5. So this is a solution. So therefore solution is x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 5. Or we can write order pair xy is equal to minus 1, minus 5. So this is how you have to solve that example, and the solution will be the point of intersection of two lines. So student, just kindly pause the video and write down the homework, and you will have to solve by using previous method whichever I have solved that example. So thank you.